Hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel. This is Kuya Mike TV. Halika't samahan nyo na naman ako na sagutan ang ating fill in the blank EPS topics sample exam yan. Tara guys, samahan nyo na ako. Ito yung tanong. Sabi ni Neil blank Iga Odio. In English ay what is the blank going to be like tomorrow? Sabi naman nina ay Piga Ogu Baramiman ni Pulgoyeyo. In English ay it is going to be rainy and very windy. Yan. Ito yung apat na pamimilian. At isa dyan ay possible na tamang sagot.